Hello everyone, how are you all? Doing good? Alright, so by seeing this board, what do you think? What are we going to learn about today? We're going to revise the topic tens and ones. Okay, we're going to understand the concept in a better way. How are we going to do that? We're going to learn now. Alright, so the number in the tens column, how do we write? This is tens and this is ones. So always remember, in the tens column, a group of objects, any group of objects for that matter, if it is a group, the number of group, it represents the number in the tens column. Okay, for example, if I have straws here, so if I have 10 straws in my hand, only and only 10 straws, not more than 10 and not less than 10, exactly 10 straws in my hand, then I can form a group of 10 straws. That will form one group of 10 straws. So that group of straws, I will be placing it in the tens column. And next, the numbers from 0 to 9, all the single digit numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these numbers, these are called single digit numbers because when you write only one number, right? So that's called single digit numbers. So all the single digit numbers, the numbers in the ones column, it represents the single digit numbers. So from 0 to 9. What do you mean by 0? It means that there is nothing. No number is there. When you write the number 0 in the ones column, it means that there is no number or no object in the ones column. Okay. So numbers from 0 to 9, it represents the ones column, and the group of objects or the number in the tens column, it represents the number of groups of 10 objects. Okay, we will see an example. So I have a set of cards here. Okay, I have a set of cards here, and we are going to set one target number now to understand the concept better. We have set the target number as 20, 20, 20. And how do we write 20? 2 in the tens column and 0 in the ones column. What do you mean by 0 in the ones column? There are no objects in the ones column. And why do we write 2? 2, it denotes the number of group of objects. Okay, we'll see it now. So I have these cards in my hand. What am I going to do is, I am going to shuffle it. Okay, I am going to randomly pick up one card and then I am going to write the number here, and I am going to pick up those many straws and I am going to place it in the ones column. So until and unless the number of straws crosses 9, I am going to keep putting all the straws in the ones column. Okay, let us see. Don't worry, we are going to see it. So I have a group of straws here, and then I have some rubber bands also here to group them. Okay, let us start. So I'm going to shuffle these cards now, okay, without seeing. Okay, all right. So it is number 3. Okay, I'm going to write the number 3 in the ones column because as it is a single digit number, I'm going to write the number in the ones column, number 3 in the ones column. So how many straws am I going to pick up now? 3 straws. So 1, 2 and 3. And where am I going to place it? In the tens column or in the ones column? Yes, in the ones column. Yes, perfect. So we have 3 straws. Okay, now moving on to the next number. I'm going to shuffle it once again. Okay, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Now again I'm going to place it. It is number 5. Okay, so what am I going to do is, I'm going to write number 5 in the ones column because as it's a single digit number, I am writing number 5 in the ones column. And how many straws am I going to take out now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I'm going to place it in the ones column. So now Can you count and find out whether we have reached number 9 or we have crossed the number 9 or we have crossed 9 straws? Can we count it and check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, not 8. So 8 is a single digit number. So we can keep it in the ones column. So again we are going to shuffle it. So total number is 8. So we have totally how many straws? 8 straws. So we have totally 8 straws. The number is 8 now. Okay, so now we are going to shuffle it, shuffle it, shuffle it. Okay. Again it is number 5. Again I am going to write number 5 here. Okay. Write number 5 and again I am going to pick up 5 straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where am I going to place it? In the ones column. But one moment. Now we can see that there are so many straws here. I think that it is more than 9 straws. So it's now time for us to group the straws to find out whether we have group of 10 straws or not. We'll count it and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we have one group now. Okay. So we have one group of straws. So what am I going to do? And how many straws are remaining which doesn't have a group, which doesn't form a group? We have 3 straws. So where am I going to place these 3 straws? In the ones column. Okay, these 10 straws I am going to bundle them together. Okay, I am going to bundle these straws because in this group there are 10 straws. Where am I going to place it? In the tens column. We have one group of straws. So now what number is formed? Can you tell me? One group and how many straws in the ones column? 3. So it is 1, 3, 13. So we are going to write the number here. So totally how many straws do we have? We have 13 straws now. Okay. So again we are going to shuffle now. Okay. Shuffle, 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 shuffle and shuffle. Okay. Number 9. So it is number 9. So what am I going to do? I am going to pick up 9 fresh straws and then I am going to put it, place it in the ones column. Okay, let us check. So first, before we pick up, I am going to write this number 9 in the ones column. I am going to pick up 9 straws. I am going to record it now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I have picked up 9 straws and I am placing it in the ones column. So now you can know that there are more than 9 straws in the ones column. So can this happen? Can more than 9 objects be there in the ones column? No. We can have only single digit numbers. It means that we can have only objects, 0 object, 1 objects, 1 object, 2 objects, 3 objects until 9 objects, not more than 9 objects. So let us count and find whether we have exceeded or we have crossed the limit of 9 straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we have crossed it. So now we are going to put these remaining straws in the ones column. So I am going to group this together, bunch it, bundle it and then put the rubber band. Now I am going to place this group of straw in the tens column. Okay, so now you can see how many group of straws do we have in the tens column. We have 2 bundles of straw. We have 2 groups of straws. Okay, 1 and 2. And how many straws do we have in the ones column? We have 2 straws. Okay, so 2 groups and 2 straws here. So what's the number formed? 2, 2, 22. So totally how many straws do we have? 22 straws. But wait, our target number was 20, right? So it is 20. So what can we do to make this number 20? Can we remove these 2 straws now? What will happen if we are going to remove these straws now? So what number is formed? So two groups and no objects here. When there is no object, what number do we write? We write number 0. So two groups, 2 in the tens column and nothing in the ones column. So what number? 0. So we removed 2 straws from the ones column and we made it 20. So it is two groups and 0 objects in the 0 straws in the ones column. Right? So this is how we have to we have to understand the concept of tens and ones. You can do it till any number you want. The same concept will prevail for all the numbers, be it 50, be it 60, be it 70. This concept is the same for all the numbers from 1 until 100,000, 10,000, whatever number it is. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. In order to understand the concept better, I would request all of you to practice this every single day and regularly so that you don't forget this concept anytime. Alright, so see you all the next session. Bye bye, take care.